The Triton 700 fits a powerful NVIDIA 1080 GPU into a slim frame. The mechanical keyboard is great, without being too bulky. More ports than you'd expect from a slim laptop. This is a slim gaming laptop, and while similarly sized models usually top out at a mainstream NVIDIA GeForce 1060 graphics card, the Triton has a gamer-friendly, top-of-the-line GeForce 1080. In the world of PC gaming, that's a pretty significant difference. The second bit of design magic is the low-profile mechanical keyboard, which looks and feels like something halfway between everyday island-style laptop keys and the deep, towering keys of standalone mechanical keyboards. Despite being very slim for a gaming laptop, just 18.9mm thick, there are enough ports to hook up a virtual reality headset, including HDMI and a full-size DisplayPort jack on the rear edge. Application and gaming performance was excellent, and the mechanical keyboard was a pleasure to type on, without feeling too clunky, as can happen in other laptops that try to cram in hefty mechanical keyboards. Each key here also has its own individual backlight, so they can be programmed in a variety of amusing ways, much like Razer's laptop keyboards. With battery life in a gaming laptop, you get what you get, and that's just how it's always been. Even in our not too challenging streaming video test, the Triton 700 ran for a hair under 3 hours. Some other gaming laptops can run for 40 minutes or an hour more, but the delta is narrow in that category. I might have expected a bit more from the lower resolution FHD 1920 by 1080 display, as it's those higher resolutions, especially 4K, that can really kill the battery.